Single transferable vote. In Wales, we can use a system called single transferable vote to elect local councillors who look after issues specific to your local area. The single transferable vote system is a form of proportional representation. Rather than one person representing everyone in a small area, bigger areas elect a small team of representatives. These representatives reflect the range of opinions in the area. When voting in an election which uses the single transferable vote system, you'll be given one ballot paper. The instructions on the ballot paper will tell you to rank the candidates in order of preference. Marker 1 next to your first choice, 2 next to your second, 3 by your third, and so on. You don't have to put a number next to every candidate on the ballot paper, but the impact of your vote could be limited if you only make 1 or 2 choices. The numbers tell the people counting to move your vote if your favourite candidate has enough votes already or stands no chance of winning. To get elected, a candidate needs a set amount of votes known as the quota. The people counting the votes work out the quota based on the number of seats available and the total number of votes cast. Counting takes place in stages. Each time, the people who are counting are looking to see whether a candidate has reached the quota of votes they need to be elected. If not, the person with the lowest number of votes will be removed from the race. For example, once the first round of counting has finished, any candidate who has more number 1s than the quota is elected. But rather than ignoring the extra votes this candidate received above the quota, these votes move to each voter's second favourite candidate. Once the second round of counting has finished, if no one reaches the quota, then the least popular candidate is removed. People who voted for them have their votes moved to their second favourite candidate. This process continues until every position is filled. This shows how important all your choices can be when voting in an election using single transferable vote. If your first choice candidate doesn't get elected, or if they are elected with a lot more votes than the next candidate, your vote can still be used to help elect your second choice. Your vote could be moved around many times, playing a part in electing some or all the positions in your area. Find out more at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.